Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to Coinbase. First, open the Coinbase app and tap Trade. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive. For this example, we'll use Ethereum. Tap Primary Wallet, then tap the QR code icon and hit Copy to copy your Coinbase wallet address. Now, open the Robinhood app, tap Search, and search for the crypto you want to transfer. Scroll down and tap Send. Enter the amount you want to send. Tap Enter manually and paste the Coinbase wallet address. Tap Review, double-check the details, and send the crypto to your Coinbase wallet. And that's it. That's how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to Coinbase. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.